really that. It's really that foggy looking. Like, what the? And it smells pretty bad, and I got a cold.